Assalamualaikum. Okay, so let's continue with 2.4 arithmetic operation, addition and subtraction. Okay. All right, let's start with the addition first. So this is the addition in octal. So if we have two octal number and we need to add that, all right. So for example, if you have 4, 5, 6 base 8 plus 1, 2, 3 base 8, what we need to do is we just do as a normal addition. Okay. However, what we need to bear and keep in mind is octal number is from, the range for octal number is from 0 to 7. Okay, octal from 0 to 7. Anything exceed this value, it should go to carry. Okay, same goes if you want to add two decimal number. For example, if we have 13 plus 7, for example. So we know that the range for decimal number from 0 to 9, okay, decimal, right? So 3 plus 7, this is equal to 10. So what we need to do is 0 here and we need to carry 1 here because 10 is more than 9, all right? So the range is basically from 0 to 9 only. So when you have 10, so 0 here and up here you have carry. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, so this is how you do for decimal number. And same goes to the octal and hexadecimal and so on. So for octal number, if it exceeds 7, it will go to carry. Okay, so let's start with this. Okay, so 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 equal to 9. All right, equal to 9. So 9 is actually more than 7. Okay, 9 is actually more than 7. So you need to add 1 here. Okay, 9 minus 8. Okay, 9 minus 8 equal to 1. So 1 here and you have another one carry here. Okay, because it is more than 7. Okay. We know that the digit is actually from 0 to 7. Okay, so you have 9 here, so 9 minus 8, because this is base 8, so 9 minus 8 equal to 1, and you have 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Okay, more than, right? So 8 minus 8 equal to 0, you have 1 carry here. Okay, because this is more than the number, okay, the range. So 1 plus 4 equal to 5, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So just write that we don't have any carry. So the answer is 6, 0, 1. Okay, okay, now we have another example. 77714 plus 76. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 minus 8 equal to 2. We have 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. So 1 carry here. So 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 equal to 8. So 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So 0, 1 carry, same goes to here. And up to here, when you have 1 carry here, you just go down because you don't have any numbers, okay, to be added to. So 1 here. So the answer would be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, base 8. Okay. So again, if you have, for example, we have 603 base 8 plus, okay, plus 27, for example, okay, 27 base 8. So 3 plus 7 equal to 10. 10 minus 8 equal to 2. So we have 1 carry here. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 3. We have any carry? No, we don't have any carry here. So 6. Go down here, we have 6. So the answer would be 632 base 8. Okay, okay, that is the addition in octal. All right, let's move to addition in hexadecimal. So the range for hexadecimal is from 0 to 15. However, if you have for example 10, okay, range 0 to 15, but must be represented in 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, so this is 10 to 15. 0 to 9, 10 to 15. But for 10 to 15, we need to represent by the letter. So A to F. All right. So for example, here we have 7A6 plus 2BA. So we know that 6 plus A equal to 10. So 6 plus 10 equal to 16. Okay, equal to 16. So 16 minus the base. So base is 16. So 16 minus 16 equal to 0. So we have 1 carry. Okay, we have 1 carry. So 1 plus A equal to 10. So 1 plus 10 equal to 1 plus 10 equal to 11. 11 plus B. B is still equal to 11. So 11 plus 11 equal to 11 plus 11 equal to 22. Okay. 22 minus 16 equal to 6. So 6 here carry 1. So 1 plus 7 equal to 8. 8 plus 2 equal to 10. So 10 is within range. Okay, 10 is within range. So 10 we put here as A. Okay. Kenapa madam we cannot write it as 10? So because we know for hexadecimal, 10 must be represented by letter A. So that's why we get A60 base 16. Okay. Okay, let's start with this. For example, if we have cafe, okay, plus, so what we do, we have plus A 2 A to 5, for example. Okay, A to 5. All right, A to 5. Or if, okay, for example, A to 5. So base 16. So this is within range, okay? So E equal to 14. We know that E is equal to 14. So 14, okay, 14 plus 5 equal to 19. 19 minus 16. 19 minus 16. So this is equal to 3. So 3 here, and we have 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus F. F is equal to 15. So 1 plus 15 equal to 16. 16 plus 2 equal to 18. 18 minus 16 equal to 2. All right, and then we have 1 carry. Okay, 1 plus 10 because A equal to 10. Okay, so 1 plus 10 equal to 11 because, okay, 1 plus 10 equal to 11. 11 plus A equal to 10. So 11 plus 10 equal to 11. Sorry, equal to 21. 21 minus 16, this is equal to 5. All right. So carry 1 here. 1 plus C equal to 12. So 1 plus 12 equal to 13. 13 in hexadecimal is equal to D. So the answer is D523 base 16. All right. So I hope you get it. Okay. Next, addition in binary. Okay, addition in binary. So same goes with this. So the range is for binary is from 0 to 1. We only have 0 to 1. Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0. So 1 plus 0, 1, no carry. 1, 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, we have 0. Because 1 plus 1, we get 1 plus 1, we have 0, carry 1. Okay, carry we put up there. So 0 here, and then we have 1 carry. Okay, I'm not sure why they put here, it should be here. Okay, so 1 plus 1, okay, 0, and then we have another carry here, 1. So 1 here, you carry, we don't have to add to anything, we just put it down here. Okay, we dapat 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1, okay, 1 plus 1, that carry, okay, plus 1 here. So we have 0, 1. Okay, carry up here. You just put it down here. So dah tak ada tambah apa-apa. So we will get 1, 0, 0, 1. It's like 1, 1, 1 equal to 7. Okay, plus 1, 0, this is equal to 2. And then 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Right? So this is the number. Okay. What if you have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1? So what we have here is 7 plus 21. So 1 plus 1, we have 0 carry 1. Okay, 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 here is actually 1, 0. This is the carry, okay. Okay, plus 0. So 1, 0. So 0 here and you have 1 carry here. And now 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 here we have 1 plus 1. So 0, 1 plus 1 here. You add another 1, so you will get 1, 1. So 1 here and another 1 is carry. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so we have no carry here. If you don't put here 0 pun tak ada masalah because we don't have any carry here. Okay, so 0 plus 1, this is equal to 1. So what we get is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 base 2. Okay, this is equal to 28. Alright, so I really hope that you can do the addition in binary. Okay, quite simple. Okay, now we have subtraction. Okay, subtraction. So for this octal, if you borrow in octal, so the value is for borrow is 8. Same goes to if you want to do the subtraction for decimal number. For example, you have 12 minus 4. Okay, 2 is smaller than 4, right? So you have to borrow. If you borrow from here, okay, if you borrow from here, this will be 0. And then you borrow 1 here means 10, right? Decimal number, so 10. So what you have here is 10 plus 2, so you will get 12 here. So 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. All right? So same goes to octal. So the digit, one digit you borrow, okay, it means 8. Okay, the value borrowed is 8. Okay, let's do this. For example, if you have 3, 5, 6 minus 1, 5, 7. Okay, both in octal. So we know that 6 is smaller than 7. So we cannot do direct conversion, direct subtraction, right? So we need to borrow. Okay, we need to borrow from 5. Okay. So if you borrow from 5 here, 5, okay, now has 4, right? Okay, the value now is equal to 4 because minus 1, right? And then here, when you borrow this digit, you will add 8. Okay, because one value, if you borrow in octal, the value is 8. Okay, so 8 plus 6, this is equal to 14. So 14 minus 7 equal to 7. So 4 here, 4 is smaller than 5. So you cannot do direct subtraction. You need to borrow from 3. So 3 now left is 2. Okay, so 8 plus 4 equal to 12. 12 minus 5 equal to 7. So 7 is here. So 2 minus 1. 1. So the answer is 177. Okay, let's do another example. So for example, you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, base 8. Subtract by 7, for example. Okay, 7. Okay, 7 base 8. Okay, 7 base 8. So 3 minus 7, 3 is smaller than 7. So we need to borrow from 2. So 2 now have 1. Okay. 3 now you add 8 here. Okay. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 11 minus 7, this is equal to 4. Okay. 1 minus nothing. So 1 here and 1 here also have. Okay. So the answer is 114 base 8. What you need to remember is if you borrow, okay, the value of borrow is equal to 8 for octal. Okay. Right, now subtraction in hexadecimal. So same goes to hexadecimal. So if you borrow for hexadecimal number, the value borrowed is equal to 16. Remember that. Okay, if you borrow, so the value borrowed is equal to 16. All right, so for example, if you have C9AD minus 5AAF. So we know that D is smaller than F. Okay, the value of D is smaller than F. So we need to borrow. So what we left here is 9. Okay. So D is 13. So 13 plus 16. 13 plus 16 is actually equal to 29. So 29 minus F. 29 minus F, okay, F is equal to 15. So 29 minus F is equal to 14. So 14 is E. That's why you get E here. So 9 is bigger than 8. So you don't have to borrow. 9 minus 8 equal to 1. Okay. 9 is smaller than A. You cannot do direct subtraction. So you need to borrow from C here. This is equal to B. So now we add 16 here. So 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Okay. 25 minus A. 25 minus A means 25 minus 10. So 15. 15 is still within range because the range for hexadecimal is from 0 to 15. Okay. So 15 is equal to F. So that's why we have F here. Okay. B is equal to 11. 11 minus 5 means we get 6. We don't have to borrow anything. So the answer is 6F1E. Okay. This is how you get it, okay, for subtraction in hexadecimal. Now, subtraction in binary. Okay. So subtraction is in binary. So same goes to this. If you borrow, okay, if you borrow in octal, no, this is not true. Okay, so if you borrow in binary, okay, for binary, what do we have here is, if you borrow from a binary number, okay, the value is actually equal to 2. Okay, 2. So 2 means 1 0 in binary, right? 1 0. So 0 is smaller than 1. So if we borrow from here, this is actually become 1. Okay. And then how to get 1 here? Actually, you borrow from here. Okay. 1. And then you need to borrow also from here. Okay. This is left hand. Okay. Done with that. Okay. So remember we have, if we borrow, the value is actually 2, right? So this is actually 1 0. So 1 0, okay, 1 0 means 2, okay, minus 1, we get 1. All right, 2 minus 1 is we get 1. Okay, so now we borrow, remember, well, we have 1 here because we borrow from the more significant bit, right? Okay, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And same goes to this, we also borrow. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. And then 0 here, we don't have to subtract with anything. So 0 here, and then 1 go down here. So we have 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. Or if you want to make it more easy to understand, for example, we have this number also, 1 1 0 0 0 minus 1 1 1. Okay. We need to borrow from here. Okay. Remember that we have, if you borrow from here, we have 1 0, we have 1 0, and we have 1 0, and then we left 0 lah. Okay, so this is 1 0 here. 2 minus 1, this is equal to 1. Okay, remember later we borrow from, we already borrow, okay, from here, so this is left 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. And then we also, before this, we also borrow from here, right? So this is left 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So no more here, no more value here. So 0 here, we just go down 0 and 1 here. Okay. So this is the subtraction in binary. Okay. All right. So done with topic 2.4. Okay. Arithmetic. Arithmetic. Okay. Arithmetic for subtraction and addition. For octal, hexadecimal, and binary. Okay, if you have any question, do ask. I'll give you some questions to test your skill. Okay, so I think that's all for 2.4. See you. Bye.